Hey guys, today we are talking about buzz groups. Buzz groups are a type of discussion that is designed to use for brainstorming activities. The teacher can utilize these at any point in any lesson. If the kids are just getting antsy and they just need to get up, you can break them off into groups. Um, they I say brainstorming, it's not necessarily only brainstorming. You can use them for formulating ideas for writing assignments, formulating ideas for a science project, or maybe developing their hypothesis. They can be used, say, in math for problem solving. If there's a tricky unit and people are maybe getting confused on it, and some kids just need to learn to work through it, they can break off into groups and talk about their ideas and their processes that they had. The word buzz group comes from the amount of noise that's generated by all the kids in the class talking at the exact same time. And it's kind of clever idea, I guess. The Center for Teaching Excellence says that buzz groups can be used with no limitations, and oftentimes they re-stimulate the interest in the topic at hand. Maybe there's a lot of lecturing in a particular unit, and if the kids are zoning out, the teacher can say, hey, okay, we're going to do a 3-minute, everybody run and talk about their ideas and see where your thoughts are, and then you can regroup at the end of it, and they can take turns sharing what it was that they came up with during their time. But that is it in a nutshell. It's just a great 2 or 3 minute thing to refresh the class, I